In 30 days, you could be unrecognizable if you lock in on these 3 habits. So let me guess, you're stuck in another cycle. You wake up tired, you scroll too long, you break another promise to yourself, and it eats at you. You're not lazy, you're just undisciplined. But the good news is, that's fixable. Discipline isn't about being perfect, it's about having anchors that pull you back in when life gets hard. You don't need a perfect routine, you just need 3 things that you own every single day. Win the first hour or lose the rest of the day. And you can do that in many ways, whether that's waking up early, making your bed, drinking water before anything else hits your system, not being on your phone so no scrolling, taking 5 to 10 minutes to journal, read, or stretch. By winning your morning, you're just training your brain to follow your lead and not your cravings. Discipline isn't about doing more, it's about protecting your energy, whether that's you deleting apps that are draining you or setting your clothes or workout gear out the night before. Design your environment to match the man you're becoming. Every day, do just one thing that reminds you that you don't fold, whether that's a cold shower, banging out 100 push-ups, no sugar, or just waking up early. You don't need a 10-step plan, you need proof. You need daily proof that you're becoming that guy. If you do these 3 habits every single day without missing, without explaining, just watch who you become. People won't even recognize you. Some will distance themselves from you, and that's good. Let your results scare them. You don't need motivation, you need momentum, and this is how it starts. So if you're ready to stop breaking promises, let me know in the comments that day 1 starts today.